यूं ही चलते चलते आप पहुंचे हैं ग्लोबल विलेज हाइलाइट्स के आखिरी एपिसोड में। वेलकम टू अ लास्ट एपिसोड ऑफ ग्लोबल विलेज हाइलाइट्स एंड देयर हैज बीन लॉट ऑफ लर्निंग, एंटरटेनमेंट, फन, फ्रॉलिक एंड मच मोर ऑन ग्लोबल विलेज, जो आपके सामने हम लाए हैं इस शो के जरिए। तो आज देखेंगे हमारे लिए क्या है एंड वील हैव येट अनदर पेविलियन एंड लॉट्स ऑफ फन। बी विद अस। कहते हैं हर अच्छी चीज़ की शुरुआत मीठे से होनी चाहिए। ऐसे ही आज की शुरुआत हमने की है बकलावा के साथ, और यहाँ पे मिलेगा बकलावा, मामूल और बहुत सारी चीज़। जैसे ही आप ग्लोबल विलेज के अंदर कदम रखते हैं आपको मिलेगा ये बेस्ट मिक्स का शॉप एंड इट्स सो यमी, यू हैव टू कम एंड टेस्ट इट एंड देन स्टार्ट योर जर्नी। आज आखिरी एपिसोड है इसलिए हम मीठे से शुरुआत करते हैं। One of the interesting things you see when you come inside Global Village is a photo rater. The photo rater is very, very simple. You come and stand and turn the camera around whichever way you want and click a picture, and you can get it either printed or send it to your Instagram or even by Bluetooth transfer. So it's a very interesting thing to try out. So do come and try out taking a picture. और अब हमारे साथ हैं Ala El-Rowi, and he's a singer and he's going to sing for us a beautiful song by Amr Diab, and let's enjoy that.
حبيبي يا نور العين يا ساكن خيالي، عاشق بقالي سنين ولا غيرك في بالي. حبيبي 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 يا نور العين، حبيبي 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 يا نور العين يا ساكن خيالي. Thank you.
और अब हम जाएंगे एक और पेविलियन की सैर में, एंड वी आर गोइंग इनटू कुवैत, एंड टू नो मोर अबाउट व्हाट इज इन स्टोर यू विल हैव टू कम विद मी। inside the beautiful Kuwait Pavilion, you will find clothes, perfumes, glassware, and much, much more, along with gold and much interesting things to shop. So, अगर shopping का इरादा है तो यहाँ पे आना चाहिए और देखना चाहिए. And it's very scenic. As you can see behind me, you can see the main gate behind the Kuwait Pavilion. So you can sit and relax and also get things done very, very well. So watch this pavilion, and if you want shopping, just do it. अब हमारे साथ हैं सुप्रिया ग्लोबल विलेज का 20th एडिशन और आज ग्लोबल विलेज हाइलाइट्स का आखिरी दिन है हमारा. सो हाउ डू यू फाइंड ग्लोबल विलेज एंड व्हाट इज द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग यू फाइंड हियर?
Well, you do get to see a lot of variety here. You have these different stalls from all over the world. Being an Indian, I walked into this Indian pavilion and it's quite interesting. It's a good, well, I wouldn't say it's chaotic. I would say it's a good combination of everything. You get to see a lot of glimpses from different stalls, cultures, especially India being such a big variety. You have Kashmir, you have the south, you have the north. It's a good mix, I would say. It's interesting. They have really caught some nice, some really deep cultural stuff that we Indians would know, and I can really identify it here. So it's a good experience. So
You actually studied journalism, you said. So a journalistic point of view, what is the most interesting thing you find in Indian pavilion?
well, they have really brought such stuff which are very touristy, I would say. So they do attract attention of people. For instance, that dholak guy, that's interesting. And you do get to see the Rajasthani stalls. They are full of colors. India being known for the colors especially. So as a journalistic point of view, I would say they have really caught what the audience wants to see from India.
Did you try any other cuisine from the other parts of the world?
Well, we did stop at the Turkish a little, and so far not yet, but I am looking forward to trying something.
Have a nice evening. Thank you very much, Supriya.
Thank you.
और हमारे साथ इंडिया पेविलियन में वी हैव फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम ईरान, Mohsin, Mojan, Masood and Maral. What do you find special on this particular edition of Global Village? This is the 20th edition and we are having our last episode. You're a special guest.
Well, first of all, it's my first time being here. I'm living in Dubai for 6 months. I'm moving from America. And comparing here from there, it's very unique that all the countries, they gather here. We can find their cultures, we can learn about their foods, their interests, their languages, and it's very good. And obviously, it's not whole a lot here, but we enjoyed it so much. I'm sure it has so much, and we just got into the India court, and we're ready to start it and hope to find good stuff here too. It's very colorful.
How about you, Mohsin? What do you find interesting in the pavilion?
Interesting چیه برات؟ مورد علاقت چیه؟
تو هندوستان؟
نه کلا
گلوبال در مورد هندوستان رنگبندی و دیزاین قشنگ و خیلی بزرگه بگو برام.
So he actually liked the design of the Indian pavilion?
Yes, the colors, the size of it, and the atmosphere of here. the size of the square feet. That actually Global Village, India's court, has the biggest square feet, I believe so.
It's 1,23,848 square feet.
Yes, we noticed that when we were up there, and we were like, oh, we should go to the India court. It's biggest.
Okay. How about your experience?
چی متوجه نشدم. من غرفه هندوستان از اون بالا که دیدم خیلی نورپردازی خوبی داشت.
Yeah, everybody's saying the same thing, that from up there we noticed that India court, it was really colorful and it catches my eyes too. That's why I wanted to come to India court and see what's going on here.
Okay. What's special about the Iran pavilion? Did you visit the Iran pavilion?
خوراکیاش، رنگ بندی های دیزاینش، دیگه حالا
Translate.
For the Iranian court, but the difference between the Iranian courts with all other courts, it was just all about food. It was just about like the spices, the sweets, and it was just about everything that it was eatable. But all other courts is about clothing and their like the furnitures of the accessories and all other stuff.
But again, when you enter Iran pavilion, you actually see the carpet store, which is like so nice.
Yes. Actually, I love the architecture of the Iranian too. It's that blue color. It reminds me of the blue sky in Iran, and also the historical cities as Shiraz, Isfahan, Kerman, Yaz, Mashhad, and all other cities that is very historical. And that court brought up all other.
Now, on behalf of India, we would like to thank all of you because you liked Indian Pavilion very much. Thank you very much. How do you say thank you in?
We say merci as like French.
Okay. Merci. Merci, Mojan, Merci, Shukriya. Okay. Thank you. कहते हैं having too much fun is not injurious to health, but you will feel very hungry. तो मैं खाने के लिए जा रहा हूँ. आप लीजिए छोटा सा ब्रेक. We'll be back with you in a short while on Global Village Highlights. बस एक बार और एक आखिरी बार I'd like to tell you that it's time for entertainment. आगे से मैं कह नहीं पाऊंगा, but still you have to enjoy to the fullest. Enjoy now.
गुनगुनाती है ये हवाएं, गुनगुनाता है गगन, गा रहा है ये सारा आलम. Zooby-Doo, para. All right, left and side. You have to give them some competition. Are you ready? And 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Zooby-Dooby, Zooby-Dooby, pam-para. Zooby-Dooby, param-pam. Zooby-Dooby, Zooby-Dooby, nache. You pagal, stupid man. Para-para-ba, Zooby-Dooby, Zooby-Dooby, pam-para. Zooby-Dooby, param-pam. Zooby-Dooby, Zooby-Dooby, nache. You pagal, stupid man. चाको पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे हैं, दीवानी किरणें गा रही है, ये पंछी गा रहे. बगिया में दो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है, हो रहा है हूबहू. आई 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 Zooby-Dooby, Zooby-Dooby, pam-para. Zooby-Doo, क्यों पागल stupid mind. अंबर का चांद जमीन पर इतरा के गा रहा, टिम टिम टूटा तारा इतला के गा रहा है। रात अकेली तन्हा मुझे छू ले आके तू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू। आए आए जुबी 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 पंपारा जुबी जुबी परपा, जुबी जुबी नाचे क्यों पागल stupid mind. Para para zubi dubi pampara, zubi dubi parapa, zubi dubi nache क्यों, zubi dubi pagal stupid mind. Zubi dubi pampara, pagal stupid mind.
और ये था ग्लोबल विलेज हाइलाइट्स का आखिरी एपिसोड। लॉट्स ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट, लॉट्स ऑफ फन और बहुत सारे पेविलियन से कुछ ना कुछ नया सीख के आ रहे हैं हम, और सीखते सीखते वी हैव बिकम अ लिटिल मोर हैप्पियर। फ्रॉम ग्लोबल विलेज हाइलाइट्स, इट्स टाइम फॉर मी टू से बाय बाय अंटिल वी मीट नेक्स्ट टाइम।